Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a dark aesthetic coloring for your edits on CapCut. So first, just prepare your clips and go to adjust. Click on the brightness and lower it to -13. For the contrast, increase it to 10. Saturation 10. And now the exposure, increase it to around 15. Sharpen 20. And then click on the HSL and now click on the yellow color and set the hue into 10. And now move to the green color, lower the hue into -15. Saturation -30 and luminance -30. And now you can just go back and go to shadow, highlight and lower it to -5, shadow -10. And now click on a temp and lower it to -5. And now you can just go back, click on a check icon and click on polish, go to filter, and you can just add your own favorite filter to make it more dark. Here, just adjust it to your liking. You can just choose your favorite filter. You can add some fade. Okay, I'm going to use this one, or maybe a warlock. You can just choose which one that you think fits your video the best. I'm going to just go with 50 and you are done. So that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like, and comment. Bye.